What's up, guys? Today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best travel camera for 2023 on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix 200/TZ200. Best affordable travel camera. With smartphones now raising the bar for point-and-shoot photography, compact cameras have to offer something special to justify their place in your travel bag. The 200/0200 does that with its large 1-inch sensor and versatile 15x optical zoom. It might be towards the upper end of the budget compact camera market, but Panasonic's travel zoom continues to offer great value. Its large 1-inch sensor produces better natural image quality than most smartphones, despite the latter's advances in multi-frame processing. Our tests found colors to be nice and punchy, with the dynamic range allowing you to recover lost shadow detail with post-processing if needed. Even at 24mm, vignetting and distortion is nicely controlled. There's also a handy built-in electronic viewfinder, which makes it easier to compose images in bright light. It's still quite pricey, but this is still the best travel zoom compact camera available right now. Number 4. Fujifilm X-T30 II, a charming travel camera with the skills to match its looks. The X-T30 II may only be a minor upgrade on its predecessor, but that's fine by us. The original X-T30 was a modern classic. This fine update is similarly ideal for travel and everyday shooting, if you like to swap lenses for different looks and shooting situations. At its heart is Fujifilm's trusty 26.1MP APS-C sensor, while the real benefit over rivals like the Nikon's FC below is its range of excellent text mount prime lenses. If you like to shoot street photography in particular, then pairing the X-T30 II with something like the XF35mm f2 is a dreamy combination. It has a cracking sensor that produced excellent results in our tests, and has good autofocus plus relatively speedy shooting, all of which makes it an all-rounder that's well worth considering for your city breaks. Number 3. Canon EOS R10, an affordable mirrorless travel camera for beginners. Like its EOS R7 sibling, Canon's EOS R10 is a compact mirrorless camera with modern smarts and a familiar sensor. Despite its entry-level price tag, it benefits from an impressive list of features for fledgling travel photographers. With a Digic-X processor inside, the R10 gets stop autofocus stack and 15 feet burst shooting speeds. In our tests, the R10 proved impressively quick and sticky when focusing, making it ideal for whipping out when action unfolds in front of you. Our time with the camera also revealed the R10's lightweight design to be comfortably familiar, with its fully articulating touchscreen offering genuine versatility when shooting on the move. One unfortunate omission is in body image stabilization, which adds to the EOS R10's limitations in low-light conditions. That said, it's certainly capable of decent stills and video in good light. And while it doesn't reinvent the genre, the R10 brings a new level of performance chops to the APS-C arena. Together with its accessible pricing, it's a top candidate for takeaway camera duties, especially for existing Canon hobbyists. Number 2. OM System OM 5. The OM 5 is only a relatively minor update of the Olympus OM DEM5 Mark II. But its combination of talents make it an ideal travel camera in our book, particularly if you want the flexibility of interchangeable lenses. It shoehorns a lot of features into a compact, weatherproof body that's compatible with a wealth of equally small lenses. Most of its skills, including excellent in-body image stabilization and computational photography modes, are also designed with travelers and adventurers in mind. The OM 5 delivers excellent video and stills quality that gives you a high hit rate of keepers. We also enjoyed the high-quality feel of the camera's dials and those in-camera software tricks like live and in-camera focus stacking, which are ideal for macro shots or blurring skies, surf, and water for an ethereal effect. Less good are the fairly average EVF resolution, 4K 30p limit for video, and relative limitations of its smaller sensor, but these are all acceptable trade-offs considering this camera's size and price. Number 1. Sony CyberShot RX1007. Best Premium Compact Travel Camera. Sony revolutionized premium compact cameras with the original RX100 as it was the first pocket-sized camera to feature a large 1-inch sensor. They were always great for travel, but thanks to a relatively limited zoom lens, were perhaps sometimes overlooked in favor of super zoom rivals. Things changed when we got to the RX100 VI, which paired a much longer lens than ever before, and now we've seen some real refinement with the latest RX100 VII model. Image quality is superb, with our tests finding excellent detail even at ISO settings at the middle of its sensitivity range, while video quality is the best you'll find on a compact. The big downside of this model is its high asking price, but if you want the best of the best for your travels, it could be worth the premium. If your budget doesn't quite stretch to the asking price of the 100 VII, take a look at older models throughout the range for better prices. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.